Hello everyone on YouTube, welcome back to another video. Yes, I know I'm still doing this while my thing is charging, but I'm going to show you my tips for installing the head on a percussive massaging gun. This is what it looks like without the head. Now I'm going to show you my tips for using this. I'm going to pull out this ball head. So now here's a tip to installing massage heads. You don't want to leave them. You want to make sure that when you insert the head, it is nice and snug. So make sure it's nice and snug so that way it doesn't come out on you while you're massaging any part of your body. And then when you're done massaging, just pull the head out. Now you don't want to pull it straight out. You could, but the best way to do it is you just pull. You take your hand and you twist and pull, and then the head will come out. And it'll also be good because you can use different heads too. So I will lean this one back. The same thing goes with the other one. You just take it out, place it in, make sure it's snug. And then you just massage away, twist, and pull until it comes out. Put your head back. Sorry about that. And then whatever massage you want to do. Let's say, I don't know what this is for. I want to say this is for like your spinal massage, but the same thing. Insert it, make sure it's snug, and then just massage away. When you're done, twist, and then it's out. And like I said in my first video of this, I would like to do a what does it look like under colored lighting video. Now this is charging, but also to store when you're finished massaging, to store your massage gun, you want to make sure it's stored. I'm going to be storing mine in its box, but I know because of using it a lot, it's going to be awesome because I'm probably going to be using it a lot. So, like I said, yes, it may have been given to me, but I still paid $30 for it. But I'm still going to use it. Maybe I might use it to massage some other people. Maybe my mother might need a massage, so I'll probably massage her when she needs it. But anyways, there we go. And yes, it says it's got RGB in it, so maybe when it's fully charged, I'll do a massage video. But I'll also do a night video since it's got RGB in it. So there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.